Another 6.1.
There's like a dime dozen now. Probably because all the 300s are in there falling apart. Speaking from experience.
Yeah. Look at that. 5.7 swap. Is that a Hellcat swap? That's sick. Alright, we gotta see this 6.1, this swap. So you swapped this?
Yeah, I swapped it.
Yeah, let's see this. Yeah.
This was at Harvey's, right?
It's crazy. What a choice between anything, right? Wait, it's another 6.4, dude.
Do you want me to take a picture of it?
Dude, nice. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. Holy guacamole. Jeez.
So what the program says that all the power. Of course.
Where'd you get the motor?
The States.
No, like, oh, you actually bought it? Like, or was it you?
Cleveland Power Performance.
Yeah.
Go around and buy smash up cars at auction, salvage drivetrains.
Can we hear it? Yeah. What exhaust you running?
Black Widow.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That was my fan.
That's Black Widow's on.
Hey, Ro, you want to come over here for a second?
Let's hear this baby.
That's awesome. Then I kind of switched direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged
Yeah.
V8. So
Yeah.
this was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
So you swapped this out, eh?
Yeah, I put it from a 5.7 to a 6.1.
How
I did it with Tony Curtis.
Yeah. How was the swap? Was it?
Oh, it was pretty easy. It was plug and play. Pretty simple.
Yeah.
Changed the harness wire.
Damn.
I put fast headers on here, catch cans.
Yeah. That's dope.
Put new headers.
Did you have to do anything else other than like swap it in and out?
It was pretty basic.
It was pretty basic.
Yeah. Put the 309 diff in there too.
Nice.
I took out the 2.
Where'd you get those?
I actually bought it off someone on Facebook. I went to London to get it. Nice.
This is a nice gear. Yeah, it's fucking way different from before, eh?
Oh yeah,
Just keep pushing, eh?
better.
Let's hear, bud. Let's hear.
Another 6.1. Wow. 6.1. Hey Maloney, we gotta see this. Pop the hood, man. Pop the hood, bro. Come on, let's see this. Oh, he's revealing the big reveal.
You got a broom handle? Or the hood up, or?
No, I gotta hold it.
Pop the hood.
Fuck.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you good?
You got a hockey stick?
Yeah,
Tighten my hood up.
I got stock. Is that?
Yeah, do it up. You might as well. Is fiberglass? The hood? Yeah, okay. That's the one right there. 5-inch tips. Not bad. I wonder how the wiring was for this, you know?
Probably pretty standalone. Like just put the, it's got the box and everything, right?
Yeah.
See, that'd be something that'd just be a pain in the ass. Like, what headers fit?
Yeah.
You don't look it up, like, oh yeah, 6-1 Dakota, these fit. Like,
Yeah, you wonder if he made them.
you have to be trial and error, which would be expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Temperature gauge, a cap, everything.
That's the tire there.
What?
That's the vent there.
What? Oh, what? Is that a Hellcat swap? That's sick. That's phenomenal.
Look at this, eh? The steering shaft has to go through the headers.
Yeah. So how does this work? Like, I guess it's really kind of wired in because there's no, it's just motor, right?
There's got to be someone out there that's understanding
How it all connects, right? Yeah, yeah.
That's a elephant.
It's a elephant?
It's a elephant.
No, it's not.
No way. Oh, it is. Damn. I thought it was a Hellcat swap, but it's a elephant. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. What were you saying? The drive shaft goes through where?
The steering shaft actually has to go through the headers. So,
That's crazy.
there's no easy
Yeah, he had to bend the header.
Custom. That's real custom right there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
That is crazy. What's going on over here? Oh, it's swapped. Nice. Look at this. 5.7 swap.
Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Give me a double cheese bacon water.